Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the charger and phone. Plug the Kai pad into a reliable USB-C power adapter and wall outlet and position it on a flat surface. Make sure your iPhone 14 has no thick case or magnets attached so alignment is clean. Once done, place the phone face up near the center of the charger. Don't fumble, so the internal coil lines up. You'll see the charging animation almost immediately when alignment and power are correct, confirming the connection. Once the phone is on the pad, fine-tune positioning by nudging it until the lock screen shows the charging icon. That confirms coil alignment. If you want consistent speeds, leave the phone idle. Background apps or streaming can slow or heat the battery. Make sure the charger stays plugged into a stable adapter. Unstable power causes disconnects. If you plan overnight charging, use a charger with temperature or foreign object detection to prevent overheating, and to finish, lift the iPhone straight off the pad. Don't drag it to avoid misalignment or scratches. If charging fails, first confirm the wall adapter and cable are functional, then remove cases and reposition the phone on the coil area. Often a tiny shift fixes it. If it still won't charge, restart your iPhone and check for iOS updates. Next, test a different Kai pad to isolate hardware faults. One key troubleshooting tip: heat can stop charging. Let the phone cool before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.